Hello, everyone. So we are doing our vocabulary for our next two body units. So title your page Human Body Vocabulary number 3. Today's October 19th. And your first word is heart. Make sure you guys are actually highlighting your words because it makes it easy to find them. So number 1, heart. A muscular organ that pumps blood through the body. I'm going to also start boxing important phrases. So, two things that are super important about this definition is the muscular organ. Remember, the heart is the only organ that is like a complete muscle. So it's called a cardiac muscle. So muscular organ, and it pumps blood. Your next one is blood. It's a red liquid that circulates in the arteries and veins of animals. Red blood cells, white blood cells. And I put lymph right there because that is part of your white blood cells. And you guys might see this in one of your quiz questions. So remember, lymph is with your white blood cells. All right, let's see, red liquid. Arteries and veins. All right, then your next one is arteries. Blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the body. So I am going to do oxygenated blood away from heart. That's super important. Arteries go away from the heart. And oxygenated blood means that it's blood that has oxygen in it. So oxygenated blood is blood that has oxygen in it. Then you have veins, blood vessels that carry blood toward the heart. So this is the blood that needs oxygen. So the blood went away from your heart with oxygen, dropped it off at the cells in your body, and then now it's coming back toward the heart to pick up oxygen again. So it needs oxygen. And then your fifth word is oxygen. An element that is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that is necessary for life. So gas that is necessary for life. Everything that is living needs oxygen, even if you live in water. So fish get oxygen from the water. We get the oxygen from the air. Then you have carbon dioxide. It's a waste product of the respiratory system. So when you breathe in oxygen. When you breathe out carbon dioxide. So here's a picture of one of your cells. Cells receive oxygen in and they release carbon dioxide out. And number 7, lungs. A pair of spongy air-filled organs located on either side of the chest. So we're going to do spongy air-filled organs. All right, make sure your vocabulary is nice and neat. Make sure you're highlighting your words. Now, if you don't want to box in the keywords for the definition, you don't have to. That's just another study skill so that you don't have to remember the whole entire definition. You'll just remember like veins toward the heart, oxygen, gas that is necessary for life, carbon dioxide, waste product, lungs, spongy air-filled organs. So it's just a shortened way to remember some of your words. Go ahead and pause it and make sure that you have all of this written down. You will also make note cards for each of these vocabulary words. That is fine that you have we have Quizlet, but you need actual physical paper that you can touch, note cards with these words and definitions on it, because we will use them throughout the year, even at the very end of the year. So make sure you just keep on adding to your stack of note cards for science. All right, I will see you tomorrow.